Hey, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know how can you fix your Instagram device type unknown issue. Then you need to fix it. You need to follow the steps in order to fix it. Now, first of all, this issue occurs when you try to log into your Instagram account from a device or the platform that cannot identify the specific type of device that you're using. Likewise, maybe it's an Android, iPhone, or a computer, due to either lack of information sent from the device or a problem with the Instagram system's recognition. So it usually might happen due to the outdated apps or custom devices or some privacy settings, or maybe it's because of the technical glitch, or you could also check for the internet connection as well. So if you're wondering how you can fix it, is that you could follow the steps. So basically, first thing what you could do is you could go ahead and update the application. So you want to go to the Play Store or maybe an app store, and then on the search box you want to type in Instagram and check whether the app needs to be updated or not. If the app needs to be updated, then click the update or an upload button and you should be able to fix it. If that's not the case, sometimes it might also be due to the lack of internet or due to poor connectivity. So you could just go ahead and check your router or maybe your connection, and that should be able to fix it. If that's not the case, then the other alternative way is to do it so as contacting the Instagram support. So you could either go from a web browser or from the app itself and then directly contact them, let them know about it, and you should be able to fix the issue. So for that, you just want to go to the contact Instagram and press the first link that appears and type in the message that you want to actually give it, and then they should be able to look into your matter. Now, while seeing device type unknown, isn't necessarily a security threat. So it can be a sign that someone is accessing your account from a device you don't recognize. So it's important to review your recent login activity to check for any suspicious login as well. And you could take appropriate action like changing your password if needed, or checking your activity log. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.